cry. I lay there thinking about Nettie while he on top of me. Wonder if she's safe. And then I think about that pretty woman in the picture. I know what he doing to me, he done to her. And maybe she like me.
Papa, didn't I tell you to clean myself?
I did do it, Paul.
Papa.
WINDOW. HAIR. Yeah. ARLR. Yes, Sleep. Sleep. SLEEVE. Sleep. And feed.
Okay guys, so you have made it almost to the end of this video. Just wanted to show you real quick how I prepare my Little Diva client's hair. I do everybody hair like this before I start braids. The thickness all depends on the sections, all depends on the thickness of the braids. We're going to be doing thicker braids. I'm going to be adding some beads to the end. I like to really work and detangle the hair with my hands. It makes it so much easier. She's very tender-headed, and most people are. You don't want to make it a bad experience for them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually provide you with a video of how to be able to do these exact braids, but I'll be putting that in another video. Just wanted to really focus on how to care for the hair before you braid it. It's very, very important to do this because you want to get growth versus your hair pulling and coming out. I hope you enjoyed. Now, guys, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and like. Okay, guys? Take care. If you want me to do your hair, I would love to. I will put all my information in the video description box. Take care, be blessed, and I'll chat with you guys later. And stay tuned to how to do the actual braids.